You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this airline, as well as how to say more airline names and more country names as well. There are many mispronounced. Stay tuned. Qatar. Qatar is how it's said locally in Arabic. Qatar Airlines. Now, in English it's generally said as Qatar Airlines. Some say it as Qatar, Americans especially Qatar, but Qatar Airlines. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.